Hello everyone, welcome to Cherokee Lockpicking. Well, today I have a LOTO lock. This is called a ZING and it's made by ABUS. ABUS has their name up above. It says danger on the side and locked out on the other side. Now, this was sent to me by a good person, Ahrens Lockpicking Heaven's Gate. I just love his handle. He is not uploading videos anymore. He sent me a whole bunch of locks. He's a super person. I still enjoy his channel. He has picked a lot of cool locks if you want to check it out. This box says this was made from 70% recycled materials. It's green. ZING green products. And I don't know if it says on here where it was made, where it come from, it's in different languages. Made in China. Aren't they all? Okay, let's see if I can get this open on camera for you. This has been a difficult pick for me. I have picked it. So, I don't know. I haven't picked it. I can't remember what I did. As usual. Let's see if I can just get in there and find something. Let me know if this is the pick I need. Okay, I'm going to just kind of scoot along. See if I can find something to bind up. So far, that would be negative. Okay, let's do it again. First, something dropped though. These are sneaky little locks. That's that back one. I don't know. There's no key to this lock. So I don't know what the bidding is or anything like that. I think the ABUS are the hardest to open. I think it's for a little bit more advanced pickers. Felt something click. I just need to start finding something. Give me the break. I don't think these have any security pins in them, and I think that's why they're so hard to open. My security pins are easier. Well, I just lied, didn't I? Oh boy. Okay guys, don't listen to me. No, they're different. They're a different feel, really. And they're a fun pick. This one is more spring loaded. It doesn't have a dead core on it like the Masters do. It's got a rubber shackle. Anyway, there it is, the ZING by ABUS. Have a wonderful day. Come back and see me real soon. Bye-bye.